Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up your own affiliate program with Systeme.io. Now, it's important to note that in Systeme.io we have a built-in affiliate program, meaning that anyone who opts into your list becomes an affiliate automatically. They get their own affiliate ID and can start promoting your products right away. But they do need to be on your list and provide their email address to begin promoting your products. So, let's go through the steps to get your own affiliate program started. First, you need to create a tag for your affiliates. Navigate to Contacts section on the top menu and click on Tags. Now you can choose your tag or create a new one by clicking the blue Create button on the right. Let's call it Affiliate. Next, you'll need an opt-in page where your affiliates can register. Let's create a new sales funnel for this. We'll call it Collect Email Affiliate Program. Choose a template, like the one we use for our own affiliate program, and customize it as needed. Once you've set up your opt-in page, you'll want to customize the thank you page. Here, you can invite people to join your Facebook group or provide any other relevant information. Now, the only step left is to set up automation rules to send an email with the affiliate link to each person who registers as an affiliate. To do so, click on the Automation Rules and add a new action. Choose the option Send Email from the pop-up and give it a name. In the body of the email, you can add the URL of your affiliate link and add your affiliate ID in front of it by copying and pasting it from the available substitutes. Your affiliates will have access to an affiliate dashboard where they can track their commissions. You can send them the link to their dashboard, which you'll find in the affiliate program settings. Here, you can also set the default commission percentage and the minimum payout amount. And that's it. You now have your own affiliate program set up with Systeme.io. Don't forget to click the link in the description to try Systeme.io for free.